Mastering Excel Pivot Tables. An essential guide for data analysis. Excel pivot tables are among the most powerful features of Excel. They let users quickly summarize, analyze, explore, and present data. This guide helps beginners and experienced users unlock pivot tables. It will let them turn raw data into insights with ease. If you track sales, manage projects, or analyze finances, you must master pivot tables. Creating a basic pivot table. Step 1. Prepare your data. Your data must be well organized before you create a pivot table. It should be in a table format. Each column must represent a field, and each row a record. It's important that your dataset has headings in the first row and no empty rows or columns. Step 2. Insert a pivot table. Select any cell in your dataset. Access the Insert tab within the ribbon at the top of Excel. Click Pivot Table. A dialog box will appear. It will let you choose where to place the pivot table, in a new worksheet or the current one. Step 3. Build your pivot table. The pivot table field list will appear on the right side of the screen. Drag and drop fields into rows, columns, values, and filters to organize and summarize your data. For example, dragging a product field to rows and a sales field to values will summarize sales by product. Filtering and sorting. Data sorting. You can sort the data in ascending or descending order to make it easier to analyze. For example, sort products by total sales, from highest to lowest. This will show you the best performing product. Filtering. The filter options allow you to view specific subsets of your data. You can filter data using any of the fields added to the filters area in the pivot table. This is useful with large datasets. You may want to focus on a specific category, region, or time. Customizing pivot table layout and design. Changing the report layout. Excel provides 3 layout options: compact, outline, and tabular. The compact layout shows data in a space-efficient way. The tabular layout is clearer, with each field in a separate column. Applying conditional formatting. To enhance your pivot tables, you can apply conditional formatting. It will highlight important trends and make the tables more appealing. It lets you format cells automatically based on certain criteria. Advanced pivot table features. Using pivot charts. They are a graphical representation of pivot table data. They provide a visual way to analyze trends and patterns. To create a pivot chart, select your pivot table. Refreshing pivot tables. If your data changes, you can refresh your pivot table. It will then reflect the updates. This ensures your analysis uses the most current data. It avoids the need to recreate the pivot table from scratch. Conclusion. In conclusion, Excel pivot tables are a must-have skill for anyone analyzing large datasets. Pivot tables are a popular tool. They efficiently organize and summarize data. They are flexible and powerful, too. Both beginners and advanced users love them. Pivot tables have advanced features. They include calculated fields and pivot charts. They allow for more complex data analysis. Mastering pivot tables will boost your Excel skills and productivity.